The girl was surprised to discover a small horse stuck in a puddle of water in the middle of a large grassy area. Its emaciated body was almost completely swallowed by the mud and water, with only its head protruding above the surface to breathe. The horse's eyes clearly showed exhaustion, despair, and helplessness as it tried to find a way out of the pit. Without hesitation, the girl immediately waded into the water, bent down, and tried with all her might to pull the horse out. Despite its small size, the animal was quite heavy, making the rescue difficult for the girl. On the grass, the entire herd of horses stood silently observing, seemingly watching every move of the woman. The horse standing closest kept looking down into the pit with a worried expression. It was probably its mother. Behind them, the other horses also remained, standing in a herd, intently watching the little horse in distress. No one could have imagined that animals, seemingly only capable of living by instinct, could exhibit such profound bonds. In the eyes of the entire pack, there seemed to be worry, sadness, and a plea for the girl to help their loved ones. The girl felt increasingly sorry for the little horse, as it seemed completely exhausted after being trapped underwater for so long. She mustered all her strength, struggling little by little to lift the animal's heavy body out of the mud. Finally, after much effort, she managed to get the horse ashore and place it on the grass. The animal was still shaken, standing motionless with its body soaking wet and its stomach empty from hunger. The girl gently stroked its body and softly spoke words of comfort. Seemingly sensing safety, the little horse was no longer panicked and stood still, allowing her to care for it. At this point, the horses began to move closer but still kept their distance, wary of strangers. They looked at the little horse, then at the girl, their eyes seemingly less tense after seeing the little horse rescued. They may not be able to say thank you, but the mere presence of the entire flock is the clearest way to express their affection. Horses are naturally social animals that live in herds and have very strong social bonds with the members of their group. They are capable of recognizing their own kind, remembering familiar individuals, and reacting distinctly when a member is in danger. In the natural world, survival sometimes depends on the cohesion and ability of the entire group to protect each other. Looking into the horse's eyes, the girl probably understood that love and compassion don't only exist between humans. These creatures, seemingly incapable of communicating, still find their own ways of caring for, worrying about, and protecting each other. Perhaps love knows no boundaries, nor does it belong exclusively to any particular species in the world.